The Lake Pichola and Fateh Sagar Lake are the main attraction of Udaipur city. For boating, we went to Lake Pichola Municipal Boat Ride Point. Tickets for the boat riding here was Rs 180 per person for 30-seater boats and for 360 per person for 10-seater boat. We made some new friends over there and decided to take a boat ride together as we all wanted to experience the beautiful sunset on the ride. The best time for boating here is during sunset, and we waited there for the exact moment of sunset and boarded on boat around 5:15 p.m., which was the exact timing of sunset. And we were lucky enough to enjoy the sunset as it was the most beautiful hour of the day. Witnessing a sunset at Lake Pichola was an enchanting experience where nature's artistry unfolds before your eyes. It's a reminder of the beauty and wonder that exists in the world, a fleeting moment that leaves an indelible mark on our soul. On one side of the lake there was green hills, and on the other there are the heritage buildings with mesmerizing architecture. The whole city turns gold. The building look even better during this time, and it was the best time for the photography. In a world consumed by fast-paced living, Rajasthan taught us the art of living in the present moment. For exploring magnificent palaces to witnessing nature, we enjoyed each experiences. The warm generosity of the Rajasthani people left a lasting impression on us. Embracing diversity, valuing heritage and history, practicing hospitality and generosity are just a few of the profound lessons we learned from this captivating journey.